We are Group 3, and our main topic is renewable energy resources and production in California, focusing specifically on solar, hydropower, wind, and geothermal. Enjoy our presentation as we will be very informative from our research.
California is known as being one of the leading states for renewable energy. The primary sources used in California are solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower. In total, including large hydropower plants, 38.6% of all California's power is fueled by renewable energy. Of that, 46% is solar, 30.7% is wind power, 18.2% is hydropower, and 9.8% is geothermal.
The image labeled operational power plants in white. The yellow circles on the map provided by the California Energy Commissions indicate the location of PV solar energy sources. Most of the plants are spread throughout the Central Valley, Southern California, and the San Francisco Bay Area. The largest solar producer now resides in Southern California and Desert Center, California, located in Riverside County. This plant can produce as much as 550 megawatts of power, which is enough to power 160,000 homes and 400,000 people. California is continuing to add more PV solar energy resources due in part to economic incentives for individuals and large companies. California companies such as PG&E and Southern California Edison have offered cash rebates for installing PV solar energy in businesses and residential areas. The California government has also provided incentive by offering tax credits. Now moving on to hydropower. According to OpenEI.com, hydroelectricity is the term referring to electricity generated by hydropower, the production of electrical power through the use of gravitational force of falling or flowing water. In 2015, hydropower generated 16.6% of the world's total electricity and 70% of all renewable electricity, and is expected to increase about 3.1% each year for the next 25 years. Hydroelectric power is a huge source of California's electricity, even though California is in its fourth year in a row of the severe drought. Every year, the amount of hydroelectricity produced is constantly varying. This is due to the amount of rainfall we receive each year. According to California.gov, in 2014, hydroelectric power plants produced approximately 14,000 megawatts of electricity, or 6% perfect of the total in-state electricity generation, down from 12% in 2013.
Wind energy plays a vital role for California electricity. According to the California Energy Commission in 2015, wind turbines generated electricity of 12,180 gigawatts per hour. There are around 16,000 wind turbines in California. Each wind energy power plant has a capacity to hold about 6,000 megawatts. Wind energy turbines are mainly located in the mid and southwest regions of California, where there is the greatest airstream. The three main wind plants are located in Kern County with a net worth of about 6.3 million megawatts per hour, Solano with 2.6 million megawatts per hour, and Riverside with about 1.6 million megawatts per hour. Kern County is one of the most popular due to the Tehachapi Pass wind farm, where the airstream is powerful and constant. The Tehachapi Pass is one of the windiest areas in the world, with an average wind speed of 14 to 20 miles per hour, making it a prime spot to generate electricity for homes in California. In Tehachapi Pass, there are around 4,731 wind turbines that generate electricity to about 350,000 people every year, occupying 6.5% of California's electricity.
California is also an extremely dominant producer of geothermal power. 80% of the U.S.'s geothermal power comes from California. More specifically, the geysers located in Mayacamas Mountains, approximately 72 miles north of San Francisco. The geysers is the world's largest geothermal field, containing a complex of 22 geothermal plants, drawing steam from more than 350 wells to produce power.
Although California is considered a leading state towards renewable energy, and while there are many incentives for residents and businesses to invest in such energy, the United States ranks only 10th out of the leading countries towards eliminating fossil fuel usage.